up, guys? Welcome to a brand new vlog. So today, right now we about to go to the beach. It's about to be lit. Low key, we're gonna go all the way down the island. Um, so yeah, it's gonna be lit. Hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Peace. Enjoy this montage again. The montage, bro. That's the stuff.
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
Hey, what's up, guys? I made it to the beach. I already swam. I was just bored. I was just bored for my life, so yeah. Okay. I caught it.
Hey vlog. Lots of pancakes.
That's my pancake. Thanks, though. ABC is only a white. Yeah, so we at the beach. It's hella lit, I guess. I mean, the waves are pretty
Just
big.
eat this table. Just spit out your salty.
Cheers. Yeah, so guys, lighting is so bad here. It's like so sunny, and there's no waves. There's waves now, but when we get out the water, that's when there are waves. Ha! Eat it! Just joking. Those kids kept laughing at me, so I thought they were making fun of me, so I just laughed at them, you know. And I tried to talk English to them, they didn't understand. So I'm like, okay.
Coco.
So guys,
Oh, hey vlog, hey vlog, hey vlog. What's cracking?
yeah. Huh?
You forgot.
Yeah, so, yeah, they're well aware of my vlogs, but they just don't watch it.
Who's that? You only have one.
Two.
Same, you saw your vlog already.
Two?
Two vlogs, bro.
Oh, yeah, but you gotta check out all my videos, bro.
You said you deleted them.
I played you, bro. I have 4 videos in total. I have 2 vlogs. I have 2
And
vlogs.
then one is like a Q&A, right?
No, 2 of them are, yeah. One of them is Q&A, and then the other one is what?
The room tour. Oh yeah, that's right.
The room tour. Yeah.
Oh wow. Oh,
Bro.
you gotta subscribe to my channel.
Dude, alright. Here, I'll put the link in the bio, bro. Or link in the description. What's the YouTube channel?
I don't know. At King Stupid.
Yeah, shout me out.
King Gay! King Gay! Is that your channel? No.
Oh! Bro, get Merrick.
Gay means stupid.
No.
Yes, it does. Oh. Yeah, do this shit.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up my vlog. I didn't really vlog too much, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and check out my social media in the description below. Alright guys, peace out. Have a good one.